Happy Wednesday. It is so good to see you, and thanks for joining me here today. Well, guys, we're going to be working on my French country hut you see behind me, bringing all the summer feels. I don't know where I'm going with this. This is another one, Liz decorating on the fly. Okay, we're going to start up here. I have shown you this before. This is a wall sconce lantern that I purchased on Amazon. It comes with a plug-in cord, which I have plugged in behind the hutch. It has an on-off switch right there. But in all honesty, this is a light I leave on 24/7. It lightens and brightens the space. And if you have to get up in the middle of the night to go to the kitchen for some water, well, you have a light on. So what we're going to do is we're going to start up here and then we'll work our way down. By the way, if you guys want to find great pieces of furniture at a fraction of the price, go to an antique store. A lot of antique stores now are, revamping old furniture and using chalk paint and making them look adorable. And this is one I found at an antique store. It was very inexpensive and I just love it. It's one of my favorite furniture pieces here in the house. If you have a wall sconce like I do and you want to conceal the cord, you can place artwork up there or you can do this. I found this at Hobby Lobby years and years ago. These are great. They're absolutely wonderful to decorate with because if you want to conceal the cord, this is a great way to do it. It acts as a backdrop and it's pretty too. I always call it sort of my architectural element. It has a unique look and design and it's a beautiful backdrop. Let's place it. You don't even have to put a nail in the wall. You just set it up top and lean it. That's it. Next, I'm going to add this adorable lantern, Hobby Lobby, and I think I'm going to try to squeeze a topiary in it. I have this beautiful pot. I just love the detail on it. I am going to try to squeeze it through here. It may not work. I don't know. Let's try it. Yay! And that's what it looks like in the lantern. Now, let me find a plant. Now I've got this really pretty plant and I'm just gonna plop it in the pot. This is what it looks like. Pretty. I love the wood up here with the metal. Wood and metal, be still my heart. I think I'm going to try to elevate the lantern with a wood riser. I love that it's black and wood. It will tie in, I think, beautifully with that lantern.
As long as we can find our way. Do you remember all the times we tried to stop this? Yeah, we end up the same every time.
I think I like that a lot better. It gives off more of a statement, being elevated, and I really like that look. The wood, if you can see, there's wood up there, there's wood down there. It kind of ties nicely together. I have this big pot with a huge garden ball in it, and I'm going to place it right here. I am so happy. I totally forgot about the light I have there. This will illuminate my wall arch at night and anything else up there. It's awesome. I bought that on Amazon. I'll link it below. But if you have a hutch, these work great inside or on the top, wherever you want something to be illuminated. I have my daisies that I got from Amazon. I'm gonna plop them in this glass vase and elevate it probably behind that topiary. And now I have a metal sign and it says fresh cut flowers, stems, bloom, seeds. And for summer, I thought it would be cute just to lean it. Just lean it up there. I think that looks cute. I kind of stair-stepped. I've got the topiary, then stair-stepped the sunflowers up a little bit and then angled the sign. All right, let's decorate the inside of it. So I just want to share that I loved adding these on my hutches because I think they just kind of dress them up a little bit. Okay, next we're going to be adding some lemon plates that I found on Amazon. I think they're simple, but they're cute. And the price was decent. I'm also going to be incorporating these plates and bowls. These I got at Hobby Lobby a few years ago, but the colors go really well together. I could do something like this, although I don't know if I'm going to, but this is really cute. I love the checkered plate as the backdrop, and then this being the focal point with the lemons. I'm just gonna go in and strategically place them. I'll set it to some music and we'll see what I do. I may be changing this up. I have no idea. Okay, next I have these two canisters that I got from Hobby Lobby. Again, wood and metal. And then I have this small one from Home Goods, but they all kind of go together. Actually, I just decided to take the lid off and I'm going to angle it. All right, in the center right there, I'm gonna go in with this wire cloche with a rosemary plant on the inside. Right there and right there, I'm gonna go in with these adorable little plants from Amazon. I love them because they have a stone look to them, and it's fun to add a pop of green. So I don't know if you guys can tell, I'm sort of doing things off center so that when you look towards the hutch, you can peekaboo in on the side and see the design of the lemons there, and then a pop of green. Now, because I only have 4 lemon plates, I'm gonna go in with these because it's a nice color and it coordinates well. And I'm gonna do one here and one over there. So I think that looks really nice. All right, now what to do? I think I'm gonna snug this one behind there as just a backdrop. So it'll be boom, 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 creating that diagonal. I'm gonna use these to decorate with, and I'm just gonna set them in there just like this, one on either side. Down on the bottom shelf, I'm gonna go in with 2 more of these, one on either side. By the way, I'm not doing the plates the same like this, okay? I like them to be a little bit different, so I'm having the design this way and then this way, kind of going down then going up. I have 2 little cloches. I love the design with the little checker design on it. Home Goods. There's the cloche top. On the inside, I'm going in with a pop of texture. I got these at Hobby Lobby. I think you can get these on Amazon, I'm not sure, but I'm just gonna place it inside the cloche.
You and I, we're always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you?
Now I have another one, so I'm gonna set that on the other side.
I recall the times you said you're sorry. But still, I'm not sure.
Because I'm adding little pops of wood tones, I'm gonna go in with this wood riser. Hobby Lobby Spring Shop, 50% off.
Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to.
Now I'm gonna add this beautiful bowl, and I'm gonna place the bowls and a plate in it.
Hanging up to see if you would call me. I miss you more when you seem too far away. And you can blame it all on me as long as we can find our way. Do you remember all the times we tried to stop this? Yeah, we end up the same every time. Cause when our bodies meet, there's nothing left to fight about. We're holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Somewhere in between our secrets, there's an imminent storm. It's unavoidable, yeah. But as long as I feel that you see me, I will pay.
And to finish it off, I'm just gonna add a couple lemons on the shelf.
Just let me touch you like the first time.
Well, friends, that is my French country hutch decorated for summer, and I love it. I think it's subtle, but it's cute.
In this moment, yes, I cannot say what's wrong or right. No, it's not hard to fool me. No, 'cause I'm addicted to the good life. Yes, yeah. Lead the way, I follow. No need to say. No, where we are heading now, babe.
Now, before we go, I have a quick little announcement. This year, Amazon Prime Day is July 12th and 13th. It is by far their biggest sale of the year. It's even bigger than Black Friday. Now, leading up to Prime Day, I'm going to be sharing some secrets on how to make the most of it. As an Amazon influencer, I get a tiny commission for anything you folks purchase. I also get inside information that I can share with you, my subscribers. First, did you know you have to have an Amazon Prime account? If you don't, I've got you covered. I'll have a link down below. You get a free 30-day trial. Second, Amazon is offering $60 in free credits just for Amazon Prime Day. $60 could easily get you 3 to 4 shirts and or some home decor. Third, Amazon is already offering some early bird specials just for Prime members. As an example, I found some women's clothes for up to 72% off. I'm also really pleased to announce that Amazon is promoting a lot of small businesses. So when you see all of these offers come through, you'll see a badge and it will say small businesses. I always love to support small businesses, so that's a plus too. In the upcoming weeks, I'm going to be updating all my stores with all my latest, greatest finds, and I'll be sharing more information, especially on how to save money, because many of you have asked, Liz, how do you find the coupons? How do you find the deals? I'm going to show you how. And let's just face it, with inflation and everything else, wherever we can save some money and some good money, I'm going to share it. So stay tuned. If you see prices highlighted in red, those are really hot deals going on right now. And these are also early Prime Day deals going on for Prime members only. The TV deals going on right now are absolutely incredible. I've never seen prices this low. Lots and lots and lots of things to browse through to find the deals, and I'll have what I can linked below. All right, guys, well, that will wrap up the end of my video today. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed me decorating my French country hutch for summer. And I will be back on Friday. More to share. Definitely more to share.